Hello dear students, today I am going to tell you about font tag. The font tag is used to change the appearance of the text to be displayed on the web page. Using this tag, we can change the size, color and style of the text. It is a container tag. The attributes of font tag are listed in the table. So basically, font tag is associated with the text. Whatever we are typing, whatever text we are displaying, so that's color, size and that style of the text is changed or is manipulated by font tag, right? So let us study some of the attributes of font tag. So we have first attribute of font tag as size. To specify the size of the text, the values of the size attribute lies between 1 to 7, with 1 being the smallest font size and 7 being the largest font size. See example, font, this is the tag, and size is the attribute is equals to 5. Next attribute is color. This attribute is used to specify the color to be displayed in the text. Okay, font color is equals to blue. Face, to change the font type, that means it works on the styling of the text. Font face is equals to Arial. So let us understand within HTML code. Okay, open notepad or text document. There you type HTML tag, head tag, title tag, red font, title tag close, head tag close, body. Then font face means font style is equals to monotype Corsiva and size is equals to 7, color is equals to red. So font is a tag. In font tag we have used face, size and color as an attribute, and we have given the values. Face is equals to monotype Corsiva in double quotes, size is equals to 7 in double quotes, color is equals to red, that also in double quotes. And we have written the font or text as red font and font close. Now again BR tag. This tag BR tag is used to give the line break tag. Okay. Again we have used font face is equals to Cosmic Sans MS, size is equals to 4, color is equals to blue. Again we have used font tag with the following attributes. Then we have written a paragraph, right? And then again we have written a BR tag, that means we have given a line break tag, a space of one line. Then again we have written a line, the construction of red font by the sandstone of red color in large scale gave it the name red font. And then after using everything we have closed the font tag because it is a container tag. Okay, understood? Then body tag close, HTML tag close. Then save this file and then open this file with Google Chrome and you'll find the output in the web page. Red font was written in the title bar, so it is coming in the title bar. Okay, then red font, it text color red. Okay, we have selected the font color is equals to red and size we have given 7 and font type was monotype, right? And then line break tag was given, 2 line break tag was given, so that's why there is a space, and then the paragraph, and then text color blue, the paragraph was a blue color, size 4 and font type monotype Corsiva. Alright, so this is for today.